The graph shows worldwide snowmobile sales from 2000 through 2015, where x equals 0 represents 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. Use the graph to work the problem. The graph shows worldwide snowmobile sales, where the x-axis is the year from 0 to 16 in increments of 2, and the y-axis is sales in thousands from 0 to 250 in increments of 50. The graph shows that in year 0, the sales were $209,000, and in year 15, the sales were $151,000. Write two ordered pairs x, y for the data points shown in the graph. Use the ordered pairs to find the slope of the line to the nearest tenth. The graph shows 2 points, and we can write ordered pairs for both of those points. We see that when x equals 0, y equals 209. So our first point is 0, 209. We also see that when x equals 15, y equals 151. So we have the point 15, 151. Now we can use these points to find the slope of the line. The slope is equal to the y value of the second point, 151, minus the y value of the first point, 209, divided by the x-coordinate of the second point, 15, minus the x-coordinate of the first point, 0. Subtracting in the numerator and denominator, this is equal to negative 58 divided by 15, or negative 58 fifteenths. Rounding to the nearest tenth and writing as a decimal, this is approximately equal to negative 3.9.